Howdy everyone, welcome to the garage. It has been a while, okay? So don't headhunt me, I promise. I've just been busy with another car, but now that I have that done, it's time for this one, okay? So first, I've already disassembled most of the interior minus like the dash and that kind of stuff. But next, I'm going to be taking the transmission, the engine, drivetrain, pretty much all that. The idea is to keep it as stock as possible, but sprinkle a little bit of my flair on it. And yeah, just make a pretty cool car. So let's get into it, and I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so we got the driveline out. I'd say it's a pretty average size driveline, definitely not the biggest, but bet it has a good personality, and like it's really funny and charming. Alright, so we got the driveline out. I looked at the transmission. I think I actually have to take the motor out and then the transmission has to slide forward and then out, because there's a cross brace under there that you can't take apart. I mean, it's welded. So that's what I'm thinking. And I'm putting the driveline bolts in a baggie, and then we're gonna write driveline on them. I think we're just gonna start taking stuff out of the engine bay and get that motor loose, and then plop that out. And then next will be the transmission. Let's do it. The one critique I have with Datsun so far, or at least this age, is that they put the carburetor, intake, exhaust, and starter all on one side, and then they put the distributor on the other side. So everything is right here. So if you want to change your starter, you have to take all this loose and then get the starter loose, because it's not dropping from the bottom. You have to pull it through the top. If you want to change your exhaust and put a little sporty exhaust, you have to take the carbs off, and then you have to take the intake off, and then you have to take the starter loose. That way you can pull it up and out. I fought that bolt. Now watch this. I'll pull the starter out. There's the big old starter for this little engine in this little car. There's my hand. I have a pretty big hand. Okay? Now you're able to pull the exhaust out. Little exhaust. Okay? But now you're able to get it. So that's my only critique with Datsun. Other than that, pretty cool car. Let's continue. Alright everyone, well, we got it out, we got the transmission out, and yeah, I mean that was all I had planned for the day, although I've been out here 7 hours now, so it's new, you know, it's new to me anyway, so there's a lot of stuff that I didn't know, but I found out. So anyway, if y'all enjoy this type of content, if y'all want to see the progress, the road to you know, what I have for the finished product in my head for this Datsun, please stick around, subscribe, like, share to your friends, family, whatever, and until the next one, peace.